In this short video, you'll learn how to properly clean and disinfect your surgical cable from B&R. After the surgical procedure is completed, first, disconnect the cable from the unit. When disconnecting the cable from the unit, carefully pull the sliding collar back to release the cable from the connector. Next, disconnect the coupling from the motor. Now, take the spray net can and moisten a non-linting cloth or paper towel. Please refrain from using harmful chemicals that are incompatible with the cable, which include Cava wipes, PD Care wipes, Optum cleaning wipes, SaniCloth Plus wipes, and Right wipes. These chemicals are incompatible with the cable and will cause degrading, color change, shrinking, and/or fraying, ultimately exposing the wires and voiding the warranty. To clean the cable properly, start from the end of the cable that connects to the unit and wrap your towel that's been moistened with spray net around it. Now gently slide it across the entire cable, only applying slight pressure. Please do this until you've completely wiped down the entire cable. Make sure to also clean the coupling that connects to the motor. Another option is to use an alkaline or detergent recommended for cleaning and a washer disinfector for dental or surgical instruments. In the event an incompatible chemical is accidentally employed for cleaning or disinfection, please rinse the cable before steam sterilization. Finally, to ensure proper sterilization of your surgical cable, please follow these guidelines on the screen or follow the directions from the IFU.